Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Masroor Education Insights. International Relations MCQs, Foreign Policy of Selected Countries, MCQs for PPSC, FPSC, NTS and other entry tests. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Foreign policy of USA is based on dash of power. Answer is based on balance of power. Next question is US President George Bush has created Millennium Challenge account to. Answer is help poor countries pursuing democratic ideas. Next is George Washington was the first president of USA who was the incumbent vice president of America. None of these. Next is who is the US Assistant Secretary of State for South Asian and Central Asian Affairs? Answer is Richard Boucher. Next is Zalmay Khalil is the US Ambassador to. Answer is Iraq. Next question is General Michael Hayden is the. No one is the correct answer. Next question is who gave a new direction to Pakistan foreign policy? Answer is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Next question is who is Stanley McChrystal? Answer is Commander US Air Force in Afghanistan. Next question is who was the special representative of USA for Afghanistan and Pakistan affairs? Answer is Richard Holbrooke. Next question is who was the founder of Republican Party of United States? None of these. Next question is in the early years Pakistan foreign policy objectives had revolved its power relationship with. Answer is India. Next question is on Kashmir Bhutto resisted India pressure and refused to accept the ceasefire line in Kashmir as the international border. Next question is Ayub Khan was strongly pro-American and on a visit the United States in. Answer is 1954. Next question is Durrell line which divided the border of Pakistan and Afghanistan is as long as. Answer is 2252 kilometers. Next is the idea of Sarek originated in the mind of. Answer is Ziaur Rahman. Next question is Pakistan left Commonwealth in 1972 and rejoined in. Answer is 1985. Next question is FBI of America was established in. Answer is 1908. Next question is what position Hu Jintao holds in China? Answer is both A and B are the right. Next question is China has opened the largest overseas diplomatic mission of China in. Answer is Pakistan. The last question is the US Ambassador J. Christopher Stevens was killed by militant in. Answer is Benghazi, Libya. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel.